everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time to draw the winners for the 15K giveaway. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. I am so excited to draw 4 winners today from the entries on the 15K giveaway video. You did have to enter 15K for CL as your entry. And I am going to now pull all the winners, but I do want to tell you the prizes first. And it's just going to be really brief because I already shared all of that on the video for you to enter. But one of the kits that I'm giving away is this Ultimate Scrapbooking Supplies Kit. Has a ton of stuff in it. I love the stickers that are in it and the pages. And you can use them for junk journals. So it's not just scrapbooking. And then the Pop Out Scene Craft Kit. This is amazing. It's from Crafter's Companion. There's over 200 elements. You can make up to 24 cards. And if you don't use them for the cards, you can use them for something else. Then next is this amazing collection of stamps and dies. There's just a ton in here, and whoever gets this will love it. And lastly, but not leastly, there is going to be a $20 Amazon gift card given to you to spend however you want. So there's going to be 4 different winners, and let's get busy. All right. I believe we have a good number of entries, so we're going to fetch those. And it's not anything goes for the entries, and you are allowed to enter more than one time. And your entry is 15K for CL. And I am going to take my time here just a bit and write down all the winners as they come in. So first we're going to load how many entries there are. And there are 365. That's amazing. All right. So first we're going to draw for the Ultimate Scrapbooker Supply Kit. And we're going to pick a winner. And the winner is Margarita Silva. Congratulations, Margarita. You've won the Ultimate Scrapbook Supply Kit. It's this one. I don't want it to be too close. So, Margarita, congratulations. Next, we're going to pull the Pop Out Scene Craft Kit winner. And we're going to close that up and pick a winner. And that is Jan Hudson. Jan, you won. All right. Congratulations, Jan. You won the Pop Out Scene Craft Kit. All right. For the Stamp and Die Collection, Karen Schwick. I don't know how you say your name, Karen. Is it Schwick? Schwick? All right. Congratulations, Karen. And lastly, for the $20 Amazon gift card, the winner is Trish Green. Congratulations, Trish. That's amazing. All right. I believe that I have everyone's address because you've been a part of my channel for a while. But if I don't, or if you've moved, if you could email me and let me know. I know that the rules say to go back to your comment, but I believe I have all of your current emails. So let's just make sure I have your current address. And thanks so much for participating, for supporting my channel. Again, I appreciate you all so very much. Have a great day.